A fourth grade teacher from Minneapolis just published her first children's book. It's about a Somali girl who immigrates to the United States and uses her grandmother's inspirational words to work through bullying and make new friends.
We are joined by the author, Miriam Muhammad, to tell us more about the book. Congratulations, and thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you so much for having me.
And the book is called Ayo, which also means golden rule.
Ayo is golden rule. So Ayo is grandma in Somali, and then it's just her golden rule to her granddaughter.
I love that.
What inspired the book? What made you think I should put this story down?
So I'm a fourth grade teacher, and I just see a lot of books that do not resemble students that might look like me. So I just wanted to put something out there for those students.
You teach at a predominantly Somali school in Minneapolis,
right? Yeah, it's actually 100%.
100%.
Wow.
Yeah.
How meaningful do you think it is for, I mean, your fourth graders are maybe, well, I don't know, some of them might enjoy this story, right?
Yeah.
But when you think about kindergartners and first graders, to have characters that look like them.
Just looking at the pictures, they might gravitate more to it, saying, "Oh, these characters look like me," you know, and I can maybe relate to them. Because as a child, like, I would read Junie B. Jones books, and they're great.
Of course, they are great.
Yeah, they're amazing.
But she's a white girl with freckles,
Not
right?
like you.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
my kids read those books too, and it is. You do want my kids also. I think when you look at these books that tell stories of various ethnicities. To me, I think it's limiting to say this is just for Somali kids. I don't think so.
Absolutely.
For everyone.
It's very universal. The message about being kind and humble and how she deals with bullying is inspiring because she goes about it with
It's her
kindness.
first day of school, right?
It is, yeah.
The storyline is about her first day of school. She's all
Absolutely.
excited, and then
Yes.
all of a sudden, she gets
Boom.
treated differently than other people.
Exactly, because of how she looks and her appearance.
And you partnered with a Somali-American artist, too.
Yes, his name is Madahay, Abdullahi Madahay, and he couldn't be here today, but he's amazing.
Boy, you can
The
tell
illustrations are absolutely beautiful. Watercolorist.
Yes.
really cool.
He's been
And where
doing
can people get the book if they're interested in purchasing it and reading it to their children?
So currently right now, I am just selling it, but it will be on Amazon and Barnes & Nobles within the next month or so.
Great.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you
Very
so
cool to
much.
see the book in print, and a nice accomplishment for
Thanks
you
so
too.
much. Could I give a quick shout out to my students? They're watching.
Of course. Yes.
Absolutely not. No way. No, I'm just kidding, of course.
I love you guys. I'll see you soon.
All right.
Hi, Benedict.
See?
Great teacher.
You guys have a good one for sure. All right, get back to work, kids. Stop watching the noon show.
Start reading.
Miriam, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right, Matt.
You gotta